looking at right now is something I've been waiting to build for a while. Thanks to PCBWay, I finally get my hand on one of the exploiters pager, or at least my version of it. So stay tuned because this is just part 1. And yes, I've brought already something. For those of you who haven't seen this project before, the Hacker Pager comes from exploiteers. They are a collective of hardware hackers who basically wanted to create a fun, hacker-friendly way to play with LoRa wireless network. The easiest way to get a Hacker Pager is to buy the pre-assembled version directly from the website. They will ship it fully built, fully tested with the case, the belt clip, the lanyard. Unfortunately, I missed the boat and it's sold out for a while. Plus, additional tax nowadays will have jack up the price as I'm living in Europe. But the entire project is fully open source. PCB, schematics, 3D printable, mechanical component, firmware, everything is on the GitHub page. So when PCBWay reached out as part of their sponsorship program, I figured out it was a perfect project to use my voucher on. They manufacture the PCB and the assembly for me. I just have to pay for the LCD module, and that's why I'm going to show you how I did. So you could get an instant code on the website by just uploading the Gerber file. So the Gerber file is a file containing all the different instructions to build your PCB. Once uploaded, you will have different specifications you could adjust. So that's based on your project. Here I kept everything by default, meaning everything was already set in the Gerber file. Here is something worth to mention. PCBWay work with a minimum order quantity of 5 units. That means the price you see on the right is for 5 PCB. And here, yes, I also have like 5 PCB without the component, however, and I'm okay to give them away for free. Now, I have selected the assembly, and that you could select how many PCB you want to have assembled. This will add an extra fee, and of course you have the option to either provide the component or ask PCBWay to source it directly for you, which I selected because it's way easier. And then it's not over. You will have to send the bill of material, aka BOM, so PCBWay could make a full quote, and then when you are happy with the price, you could ask for the production. And this is where I want to be honest with you. During the LCD mount process, I broke 2 resistors on the PCB. Not dramatic, no smoke, no fireworks, just 2 tiny SMD resistors that came off when I was using a nut on the board. So I was scratching it and I removed the resistor 23 and 24. It's frustrating, I didn't pay attention, and now I have 3D printed 2 flat washers per screw on each corner, so the nut is not going to scratch the PCB anymore. Now I will say I'm building a less fun version of the Hacker Pager because none of the LEDs are working, and it's still okay because it's functional. The radio module, the LCD are fully working. Let's get our hand on the pager for the first start, and I will peel off the little plastic. Then, of course, we will need to browse and select which frequency we want, following by the nickname for your device. So we'll just call it like the channel name, and you could see it's pretty easy to type using the D-pad. And then you will need to select the date of today. Unfortunately, I don't have any battery, so I will need to keep the device plugged for now. When it comes to messaging, it's straightforward. You click on message, and here you go. You could just type the message and it will be displayed like a chat, and you have like a sort of history. Here obviously I'm just starting it, so I send with another node a message and I'm replying using the pager. Another excellent feature is a mesh detail display, which shows
on-screen signal strength, and the last time a node was within the pager's range. And last but not the least, the LoRa toolbox. It will be covered in another video, but a short teaser. You could capture pickup here and do scanner with this pager, and there is also a way to patch from file on the SD card the radio. So stay tuned for another video, and if you have any other suggestion for the second part, feel free to write them in the comment section. Thank you and stay tuned.